Is your camera not working in Zoom? Whether your video is showing a black screen, freezing, or Zoom can't detect your webcam, there are several simple fixes you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Zoom camera not working in 2026, so let's get started. First, make sure your webcam is properly connected if you're using an external camera. If you're using a built-in webcam, confirm that it isn't disabled by a physical switch or privacy shutter. Some laptops include a camera shutter that's easy to overlook. Next, open Zoom and go to Settings, then Video. Make sure the correct camera is selected from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple cameras connected, Zoom may choose the wrong one automatically. Now check that Windows has permission to access your camera. Open the Privacy and Security settings, select Camera, and make sure camera access is enabled for both Windows and the Zoom app. This is one of the most common reasons a camera doesn't appear in Zoom. If another application is already using your webcam, Zoom may not be able to access it. Close apps like Microsoft Teams, Skype, browser video calls, or other camera software before trying again. Most webcams can only be used by one application at a time. Close Zoom completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, install the latest version of Zoom to make sure you're using the most recent fixes and compatibility updates. Restarting the app after updating is always a good idea. Finally, return to Zoom's video settings and check whether your camera preview appears. If it does, join a test meeting to make sure everything is working properly. So your camera should now be ready for your next meeting, and that's how to fix a Zoom camera that's not working. In most cases, checking your camera selection, permissions, and closing other applications solves the issue quickly. Keeping Zoom updated also helps prevent many common problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.